Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. A lot of you know I've been out of action for the last few months due to my my employment, but I've officially finished my training and now I'm back day trading. I will be back part-time, looking to trade 2 to 3 times a week, but as of today, officially back day trading. Sadly, I was going to trade today, but nothing was, well, basically the market was very slow. There was no real opportunities. The ones that did move a little bit were high price stocks or really high float. So today was just sort of getting my feet wet. My first day back in the market. I've activated my account, as you see here. It's my Trade Zero account. After my monthly fee, I'm starting with $1,140. Basically, it's pretty much where I left off before. Minus the account fee for the month, and just to show you as well, you see here, this is the month of October. This is just the net cash where the fees come out. If you look in September, no trades. August, no trades. And July, no trades. So yeah, you see the last few months, nothing there whatsoever. But yeah, it is good to be back. Sadly, there was nothing to trade. Really, if the right trade presented itself, I would have gone for it. But you know, it is what it is. I'll be back day trading tomorrow, and then for the rest of the week, I may or may not be around. I will be working and I'll start late. But I think this channel will relate to a lot of you guys looking who are working full time or part time, looking to do this on a side basis. So hope you stick around, hope you enjoy these videos, hope you learn a lot from them. I'm just a beginner day trader. I'm doing this on the side, looking to learn and improve and sort of take you along the journey as well, so you get a realistic view of what it's actually like with, as you see there, my actual broker statements, trading real money, you know, nothing dodgy whatsoever. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a welcome back type video, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be placing trades as long as there's something to trade. See you guys then, take care, bye bye.